In a bleak desert filled with distracted and callous wilderness, arrived the Illum sages to plant the seeds of conviction and wisdom, watered with grace and resilience. Deeply rooted, these trees will be in the will to strive and in the pool of compassion to provide. These mighty silver oaks will fruit acorns dedicated to the mastery of crafts and to the unconditional service of mankind.
Silver Oaks International School is starting the 20th academic year. On this happy occasion, I would like to express my gratitude to the Almighty, my family, Director Education Mrs. Sita Murthy, principals, directors, leadership team, heads, managers, teachers, non-teaching staff, support staff, parents and students, vendors and well-wishers of the school. While reflecting upon this 20 years journey, we started the school for the right livelihood, and now it is creating livelihood for nearly 825 employees. Nicely emerged and emerging 2000 alumni is the soul satisfying aspect here. We are happy with the results of the school in national board exams and learning outcomes of thousands of our students. We assure you that we will rededicate ourselves to create Silver Oaks as a world-class educational institution with excellence in character and competence. Thank you.
Silver oak trees stand tall and proud, with silver shining in every leaf. And that's exactly what we want for every acorn, what we wish, what we aspire for them. We want them to stand tall and proud like these trees, and we want them to have silver shining in everything that they do. It is said that these trees take minimum from the soil and give maximum strength to the soil. And that's what we want all the acorns to do. Take minimum from the society and give maximum back to the society. So silver oaks and our acorns have a deep relationship, a deep bonding. 2002, when this building was made, the first building of this campus, it had 2 floors and many classrooms. From there, the journey of the campus began. Now it's 19 years journey. The same building has now got 4 floors. It has another building, the junior wing block, and it has another building, the senior wing block, and it has the auditorium, it has the conference halls. This campus, from a 5-acre campus, has become a 7.5 acres campus now. It has so many sacred learning spaces where the children can sit quietly under the tree and reflect, where the children can sit in the classrooms and take the warmth from the teachers who stoke the fire of learning, where there are spaces like this where children can sit, have group discussions. A school becomes an ecosystem for learning, for inspired learning, only when we provide the sacred learning spaces for all the acorns. And that's what the acorns thrive on.
Let's build a bridge to tomorrow, across all the millions of miles, walking in hope and true glory. We, the acorns of silver oaks, knowing not where it will lead us, only that freedom shall live, trusting, believing and dreaming thankful to share and to give. Let's build a bridge to tomorrow across all the millions of miles, walking in hope and true glory. We, the echoes of silver road.
Destiny of a nation begins in its classrooms, and teachers are the true architects of that destiny. Everybody cannot be teachers, only true leaders can. With immense pride and privilege, grooming students with high potential and character is what we do every day. What every nation, every society requires is potential with golden character before competence. Grooming generations of children to live for a purpose, to learn to apply, lead with determination, and leave a timeless legacy.
Let's build a bridge to tomorrow across all the millions of miles, walking in hope and true glory. We, the echoes of silver rose, knowing not where it will lead us, only that freedom shall live, trusting, believing and dreaming, thankful to share and to give. Let's build a bridge to tomorrow across all the millions of miles, walking in hope and true glory. We, the echoes of silver road.
Acorns. That's us. We all start out as acorns, teary-eyed at the dawn of the journey. It starts out dark under the soil. The unknown road ahead, it scares us. But it's only until we realize endless possibilities lie ahead.
Soon, we break through to the surface, following the lights of leadership. We are surrounded by rays of cultures with basket full of values and ideas, molding us into fine saplings, now one step further on the bridge to tomorrow.
The clock ticks on and time goes by. Minds without fear and heads held high. Every day we learn and strive to grow more.
We stand with pride and courage at our core, leading onward, shining like silver. We could leave a legacy, you and me.
Growing among the oak trees, we see the world in a whole new light. Putting character before competence, we are people brimming with confidence. Roots anchored in the ground, arms reaching for the stars.
Our initial fears are now all gone, mantras of Mahatma leading us on, imbibing the 7 habits, attitudes and attributes grasped in these hearts. We learn to live and we learn to give, branching out into unique characters. The clock ticks on and time goes by, minds without fear and heads held high. Every day we learn and strive to grow more.
We stand with pride and courage at our cause, leading onward, shining like silver. We could leave a legacy,
You and me.
From acorns to saplings to mighty oaks we've become. We've reached the end of this road, but new paths await.
We've learned so much all these years, I know we'll pass life's test. We've now got character, competence, confidence and pride.
Perseverance, commitment, integrity, and joy.
Enthusiasm, optimism, leadership, and hope.
We'll cross the bridge to tomorrow. We, the acorns of Silver Oaks.
Let's build a bridge to tomorrow across all the millions of miles, walking in hope and true glory. We, the echoes of silver rose, knowing not where it will lead us, only that freedom shall live, trusting, believing and dreaming, thankful to share and to give. Let's build a bridge to tomorrow across all the millions of miles, walking in hope and true glory. We, the echoes of silver rose.
Beneath the holy oaks, through the twilight aisles, stand the tall and unlimited possibilitarians awaiting moments to seize, spending all their wakefulness on becoming the champions of their crafts, paying patient attention to details and committing to a life of mastery. These young possibilitarians leave no minute behind to show that generosity is a trait of all great men and women.
Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge